para sa inyo, mag-wish na ako. Last na to ah. Pero, kapag dito natupad, ito na lang gagawin.
Tumutupad yan!
Okay. Edi, ang last wish ko, sana humaba yung buhay ni Mama.
The magic of Christmas used to excite me. Everyone is decorating their homes. Everyone is excited to celebrate. Everyone is happy.
Bago kayo gumawa ng wish, kailangan humanap kayo ng ganitong bell. Kasi sabi nila, pag daw nag-wish tayo ng Christmas gift, tapos niring natin yung mga bell na to, magkakatotoo ang mga wish natin.
But strangely, it's Christmas season again. Yet,
Sino pang nagsabi sa inyo magpapasko dito?
Tara na, kakain na. Paskong Pasko, nakailata kayo.
Hindi naman kayo dating ganyan eh.
it's not the same anymore. And I guess, it will never be the same again.
Kaya ate.
The magic of Christmas has faded away. It took our spark. It took our star.